So last class we had discussed about what is Ansible playbook, how to create playbook, and so what is Ansible tags, and how to add tags and all, and also right now what else you Ansible. Next, what is Ansible vault, and how to create vault, and how to encrypt, how to decrypt, and all already we discussed, right? So anyone any doubt? We don't say no. Okay. So already we discussed what is Ansible vault, how to create vault, how to encrypt, decrypt, how to add tags and all. And today we'll see what is Ansible variable, and how many types of variable, and how to declare, and how to call it, and all we'll see. So anyone any doubt? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now Ansible variables. Now if we go here, so this is the official document. So Ansible documentation. If we click on this one, and so there is many types of variables our see. Ansible uses variables to manage difference between systems, and so how to declare variable, and whenever if we need, so how to call that variable, and all here they declare in same in shell scripting how we are declaring variable. In same way, Ansible also there is different ways we can declare variables, creating valid variables and name. If you want to create any variable, so see here not all strings valid Ansible in variable. Variable name only include letters and numbers and underscores. This is some rules in the same shell script. So if you want to declare any variable Python or shell script, how we are following and all, same way if you want to declare any variable in Ansible, so it will allow characters, and it will allow numbers, and also it will allow underscore also. And so these are the variables, how we are declaring variables and all like this. VARS, there is 4 sections, right? So if you want to write any playbook, and so how many sections? 4 sections, right? I hope you have idea, right? That is target section. So playbook, if you want to declare playbook, one is target section, right? Target section. Next, target section, and also section, and also what is second one? VRS, variable section. Third one, task section, and fourth one, target variables task section. Fourth one, handlers, right? Achpanada. So now see here. So there is 4 sections available in if you want to write any playbook. So these are the sections: task section, handler section, and what is this target section. Target means already you know how we are declaring targets and how to pass your target. And task section also you know how to add multiple models under the task section. Now today we are going to see how to declare variables. How to declare variables. So meantime, let me start my instance. Okay, let me start my so instance. Okay. Now click on variable. Now here what is password? Where is password and all? If you go here, somewhere written password, just copy, paste it. which I am in which instance I am in which instance here, right? Art is okay. Click on EC2 instances. Click on EC2 instances. Click on the instances. How many running instances? Just in a start all instances. As of now, I have 3 instances. Just run all 3 instances. That's it. Now we know playbook. So target section I know. So here we are passing mostly host name or IP address. IP address. Now task section means already you know. So here we can add some multiple models, multiple Ansible models we can add it. So add models, right? So execute multiple models, run multiple models. Okay, so now we'll see variables. Variable means if we want to declare any variable. In Ansible also we are declaring some variables, right? Environment variable, custom variable, same like here also we can declare variables. So if you want to declare any variable, so it will allow only letters, numbers and only underscore. Apart from this, it won't allow anything. Okay. So there is some rules we need to follow same thing only. We need to follow same thing. So if you want to declare any variable, these are the simple variables. There is many variables available. Try to understand. See here. So valid variable names and all simple variables and boolean variable and list variable, dictionary variables, combining variables, register variables, and also there is set of variables. And so these many ways we can declare the variable. So now if you want to, we can declare this as advanced variable. If you want to, we can declare loops and all roles wherever you want. Just first you need to know how to declare variable and so how to call that variable. If you click on defining simple variables. If you want to define simple variables, so this is the syntax. This is the syntax how it will work means variables. So variables, under variables, just call that variable name wherever you want. These are the boolean. Boolean means you know, right? True or false, or yes or no. That's it. So these are the boolean variables. List means you know, right? Group of variables we can pass. Region, you know, right? AWS region means region is one variable name. Under region we can see, right, multiple regions. So US East, right now I am in C here. So even if you see here Virginia, so under this Virginia, how many regions available? So there is many regions, right? So that and all we can call it here also. Now that is a list variable, and the same way, so list variable and so reference variable, dictionary variable. Dictionary means key and value format. Name equal to something. See here, this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. Simply, if you want to understand even Python or anywhere, dictionary means we are passing to key and value. So whenever if we need, we are calling key and automatically value will come. And also now see here combining variable. If you want to, we can combine multiple variables also. See here variables. This is the list one and this is the list two. And so we can combine multiple variables list also. If you want to, we can combine. Now see here register variable. So mostly we are using this register variable. We'll see. So you can create variables from the output of the Ansible task with the task keyboard. That is a register. For example, I executed one command, right? So for example, I executed one command. So with the help of command or shell something, I executed one command ls-a. So this output I want to store one variable. So that case we need to first declare one variable, register variable. I am giving some name. So out output just text I am giving something. This is the one variable. We need to give anything. So for example, any name we can give. And whenever if you want to print this, so that case we can use a register variable. We'll see. Now see here they are using one variable name. So this is a variable name. This is a register. And whichever command you executed, that output it is stored into the here this variable. And whenever if we need, simply we are calling that one. Whenever if we need, simply we are calling so that one only. So that one we are using with the help of MSG, we can print that register variable. So somewhere also they declare. Anyway, we'll see practically how it will work. Now JSON format to do. Now where should I play book and all, we'll see. So these are the so tips. Just there is many variables we can declare, but so just try to understand. So what is variable, and how many ways, how many types of variables in Ansible, and so how to declare and all. So usually if we come to here Ansible, mostly here we are using interval. Also they are asking some types. Hardly we are using. So some there is a runtime variable. So these are the mostly they are asking what is runtime variable, how to pass it. So runtime variables and also runtime variables. Now we can declare playbook variable, playbook variables, and also we can declare host variable. I want to declare only host side. That case we can use host variable, and so there is group variable. Under particular group only we are going to declare some variables, that is group variables. So all means so wherever we can, if you want to, we can declare. Okay, and also here also it is following some order also. So based on right, for example, I have runtime variable, I have playbook variable, I have host variable, I have group variable, and also I am using all variables. It is following some order also. So it is following some order also. So how it will follow means first preference it will goes to runtime variable. If you pass any variable at runtime, and first preference it will give only runtime, and so next, if there is no runtime variable, if there is no runtime variable, if there is no runtime variable, next it will go to playbook variable. So if there is no playbook variable, next it will go to, so next it will go to, next will go to runtime variable. First preference runtime variable, and second playbook. If there is no playbook variable, next it will check host variable. If there is no host variable, next it will check group variable. So now all means we are going to declare under the all under. This is the sequence also. Priority. Priority means if we have runtime variable, and first it will call only this variable, and if we have playbook variable, and if it is not passing runtime, now it will check the playbook, now it will check the host. This is a priority. Okay, now we'll see how we are passing runtime. Mostly interval also they are asking so how to pass a variable, how to pass a variable at runtime. This is mostly they are asking this interval question. So right, how to run a playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, playbook name, right? Playbook name, we are giving playbook name. Up to here I hope everyone know. And if you want to check the syntax and all, we are using syntax hyphen check. If you want to run dry run hyphen check. Same way, if you want to pass any variable at runtime, runtime means runtime, while executing the playbook, while run the playbook, I want to pass some variables. Don't confuse here. Runtime means while running our playbook. So if you use this command, what is happening? Anyone? If I run this command, your playbook is executing or not? Running or not? Running, right? So this is the runtime. So if you want to pass any variable at runtime, this and all, hyphen syntax, hyphen check. Now Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, and playbook name. Now, if you want to check dry run, we are using check. Same way, if you want to pass any variable at runtime. Now, first is runtime variable, right? First, this is the syntax. Ansible hyphen playbook. Mostly they ask in this one. Ansible hyphen playbook and playbook name. And what is the syntax? Hyphen extra, hyphen extra var, hyphen extra var space, and variable name, variable or var underscore name equal to whatever variable you declare, that we are passing. So here, so we need to pass, this is the syntax, hyphen extra hyphen var, this is the variable name, and whatever we want we can pass it, whatever you want pass. For example, if you want to something at runtime, right? So Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook name, and I am using hyphen extra hyphen var, and for example name equal to I am giving DevOps or C name course name. Okay, C name equal to what, that is your wish. Whatever, this is a variable name, right? We can give anything. We can give anything. For example, I am giving DevOps. Like this, we are passing at runtime. So this is the syntax. We need to remember this one. Or else shortcut also we can pass it. How we are passing shortcut? Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, playbook name, and so hyphen e. Simply, if you want, we can pass hyphen e name equal to DevOps. Both are equal only. Don't confuse. This is a full, right? Hyphen means we need to give full. Shortcut mostly we are passing hyphen a, hyphen f like this, right? So for this we can use hyphen e. What is your hyphen e? Extra hyphen variables. Okay, extra variables. That is the extra variable, runtime variables. If you want to pass runtime variable, this is the syntax. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? I hope you got it right. Yes or no? Now go to here. First let me connect my server. Copy this, and so here in variables mostly they are asking this question only. So how to pass runtime variable. So just remember, so that is the syntax. Apart from this, nothing. Very simple only, one line. Now, yes. Now, first let me check my all instances are running or communication is happening or not. So, what is the command? Sudo hyphen I and switch user hyphen DevOps, and come to here. So, Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook. So, I don't want to run anything, right? First tick Ansible hyphen m ping
Ping DevOps.
all DevOps. So our group name is DevOps. Okay.
Ping, sir. Ping.
Ping space. So this is, see here anyway. So my all two client machines. These are the two clients and server is everything working fine. First, let me create. So one. Let me create one simple one playbook. How to declare variable. And first, I am going to create a playbook variable only. So right. So playbook variable means within the playbook I am going to declare. I hope everyone know how to declare variable. Now sudo va play vars play variables yml. I am using a first playbook variable. How it will work? Insert. Now I hope everyone know. DevOps. Next, under the task task section, hyphen name. So just assume I want to install. First, I am printing something, right? So whatever you want. So here, first I need to declare the variables. Before that, I need to do variable section, right? So syntax VARS. What is syntax? Task means task. I need to declare variables. So VARS variables. So here we can declare anything. Whatever we want, we can declare anything. So whatever we want, we can declare anything. So here declare the variable. Okay. So C underscore name, course name. Just I am giving course name. So C underscore name, course name. I am giving something. So DevOps. Okay. I am giving, this is a variable name. Okay. So like this we can pass anything, whatever we want. So now I am using course fees. Okay. Or duration, whatever you want. Okay. First I print only one. You can easily understand. Now go to I declare one variable. So variable, if you want to declare, what are the rules? It will pass alphabetic. So if you want to declare any variable, just now we discussed, right? We can pass alphabets, numbers, and it will allow only underscore. It won't allow any special symbol. That is the rules. Just follow same thing only. And now, so if you go to task section, And if you go to task section, if you want to print anything in Ansible, last class we discussed, right? So what are the models we used? If you want to print something, if you want to print anything in Ansible, debug model, right? Debug and MSC. Echo, you know, right? I hope everyone know, right? What is echo? How we are printing message in console in Linux and all? Hmm? Hello? Echo, right? Same way, I am going to use a debug model. See here, and if you want to print something, MSC, message. These are the basics only. Don't confuse here. Now see here what is MS. So customize message that is printed. Okay, variables means if you want to print anything, MSC, whatever you want. And so these are the options and all. Whatever you want, we can use it. Now just already see here example. They given many example. Whatever you want, we can take it. So I need Ansible model and message. This thing we need to explain. Expecting. Okay. Now go to here. So go to my playbook and a task section and name equal to just print the variable. This is not mandatory. We can give anything. Print the variable values. Okay. What is the model name? Model name. What is the model here? Debug. What is the model name? Debug. Debug. Next, if you want to print, what do we need to use? Message. And if you want to read variables, so last class in playbook already you know, right? So loops concept already we discussed loops concept. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. And so here we need to give variable name. What is my variable name? Variable name.
Devops.
Variable name. Variable. Which variable I declare here?
C underscore.
This is the variable name. Don't confuse here. This is my variable name. That's it. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. See here already last class in loop concepts with items, how we are iterating, how we are reading that values and all, you know, right? Same way. So C underscore name is my variable name and this is a value. Now just observe here. That's it. Now nothing. I am not going to do. So now this is the which variables? This is the playbook variable. Where I declare my variable? Under the playbook or outside the playbook? Inside the playbook or outside the playbook? So now I am declare the variable inside only. So inside my playbook. So just this is the variable section. Already you know host section, already you know task section. Only just focus on just a variable section. Whatever you want we declare here. This is my variable name. I given one variable name and just my variable name is DevApps. C name, course name, DevApps. So how to print these values? This is the syntax. Debug model, MSC, and this is the placeholder. Jinja template format we are following. And so whatever variable name we have, just copy and paste it here. That's it. Now escape. Go to here, X. Now see here how to run playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook. What is playbook name? PLAY 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 vars variables dot yml. If you want to check syntax, tax hyphen check. Something missing. What is that?
Becomes a type error. So we added yes.
Become equal to
After
yes
becomes.
after becomes a plural. Okay. Insert. That's it. Escape colon x. Now run this playbook. Now everything. I'll check if you want to run. We can run try also. Directly I am running my playbook. I'll see here. Now, what message it is coming? See here, printed or not? DevApps. This is my value. This is my value. Now observe here, cat space, play underscore books. Now see here. So I call it this one, right? This is the key. This is the value, right? Now this is the variable name. I printed variable name. If you call variable name, automatically it will come value. Now what is my value? DevOps. So now this is the runtime variable or playbook variable. Now based on this understanding. So which variable? This is the I declare runtime variable or playbook variable? A playbook variable. Inside playbook only I declare, right? I didn't pass at runtime. And inside the playbook only I passed. Now see here how it will work. Now see. Now I am going to use runtime. While running my playbook, I want to pass something. Now see here, same command, -e or -extras or simply shortcut -e, c underscore name equal to, I am giving, for example, Ansible. This is my name. Now got it? Now anyone expect? So what value it will come? Runtime value it will come, or playbook value it will come?
Runtime variable.
Now see here. Understand? So first preference ఎవరికి ఇస్తుంది? Runtime variable.
Runtime.
If this is not available, if you are not passing runtime variable, so now it will come to playbook variable. I hope these two clear, right? That's it, very simple. So if you pass any variable at runtime, that is nothing but runtime variable. Here I pass runtime. Whatever you want, we can change it. That is your wish. So whatever you want, for example, name equal to Terraform. Course name I given Terraform. Now see here, it will come to Terraform. See, Terraform only it will call. First priority runtime variable. Suppose if you are not passing anything, now which variable it will call? I didn't pass any runtime variable. Now second priority, it will go to which one? Playbook variable. In playbook I declare one variable. Now it will call playbook variable. Now see here, DevOps. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? What's your Shankar? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now comes to host variable. Now come to host variable. Now host is nothing but, you know, right? Host is nothing but host. ఇప్పుడు నాకు this is the, just assume, now this is the server, right? Now these two are the, what is this? Host only, right?
Host, yes.
Okay, don't confuse here. Now this is the Ansible server, and right now I have two hosts or two nodes. Both are same only. This is the server, right? This is the Ansible server. This is the Ansible server. Now I want to declare this is the Ansible server, and this is the host one. Right now I have this is the host one, and this is the host two. Right now I have two hosts. This is the host two. Correct? This is the server, this is the host one, host two. Now we know what is runtime variable. Now we know what is playbook variable. Now host means I need to declare only this particular host. So how? If you want to declare like this, we need to follow. So this is the syntax. We need to So generally now my host file is available where? Host file. There is a default some files available, right? Host. I hope got it, right? And roles. Next, conf configuration file, cnfg. So these all are. Where is this path? Where is this file is available? Host file. What is the path?
Ansible
etc
/etc/ansible
Ansible. This is the default path, right? Now if you want to declare any variable, host variable, so under this path we need to create one directory. So what is that directory means? So host underscore vars. I want to declare host variable, right? So we need to create one directory. So like this, mkdir host underscore vars. vars. So under here we need to declare one file. Under this we need to declare one file. So file means we can give any name. So this is my host, this is my host 2, right? You want to declare which host? For example, I am going to declare host1.yml file. Under this I am going to declare my variables. That's it. If you understand, concept is very simple only. If you want to declare any variable, so this is the default installation path, Ansible installation path. I hope everyone know. And if you want to declare any host variable, so under this path we need to create one directory, host underscore variables. Under this we need to create how many, based on your host name or based on your IP, we can create one file. Under this we are going to declare your variable. That's it. Very simple. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? See here. Same thing I am going to go to here. Now, so cd space slash etc slash and Ansible where I am in safe.
ETC.
I am in cd slash etc slash host Ansible, right? Ansible. Okay. So right now only one file we can see. So this is the host file. Okay. Remove these two also, no need. rm space hyphen rf devaps.txt permission denied sudo next rm space what is this, confuse without just I am removing files only, test.txt. I don't want dls. Okay. Now this is also we can delete rm space test.yml. Okay, I deleted. Okay, now clear. But by default these are the files available in this path. Now, so I need to create, if you want to declare host variable, first what you need to do, variable, right? One directory. Create one directory, mk dir host host underscore vars I directory. Permission denied, just add a sudo. That's it. Now ls. Now go to this directory, same whatever we discussed, host, okay, underscore vrs. Now create one file. So what are these files we have available, right? Same thing, go to here. I am going to create one file, v vi and sudo vi my host IP address or host name, that is your wish, whatever you want we can. But come to here. So what is my host IP? Just I am going to host 1. Click on this, copy this private IP 84, anything that is your wish. Okay, any host mission I am copying this one, so we can easily understand, right? So what is this, va and so file name should be yml or yml. That's it. Now declare c insert. What is the variable name I declare? What is the variable name? c underscore name, c underscore name. Okay, equal to what is the name I given? For example, uh, mm, give something, post name c underscore name, right? There I given devaps. Here I have given so uh, devaps variable calling, just I am giving from, this is the host. Now we can easily understand. So whatever you want, just for our understanding, devaps variable calling from, let's see here, c, okay, variable or whatever you want. Go to here, just it will print only. Okay, variables calling from, just whatever you want. This is the host name, we can give anything, we can pass, this is the name only, right? We can give anything. Now escape. That's it. Now I created one file, where I created under the host underscore variables directory, I created one file. So this is the 84 I have two host machine. For one host machine, I created one file. So I declare same variable. That's it. Escape colon x. Escape colon x. Now, so go to here. Now go to here. Now what is my file name? Ansible hyphen playbook. Playbook. What is my playbook name? Play underscore variables. Now what is happening? Anything missing? C
At the
variable.
end of we given double quotations.
Hmm?
At the end we given double quotations.
Double quotation. Now first go to that path. Where is this path? CD space, not this one. First go to here. First go to that path. CD space slash
Slash
etc
etc
ansible
etc sorry etc
etc slash ansible host underscore variables
yes.
ls sudo va 170.txt. We are missing correct only, right? Anything missing? Where's your
Sir,
Shankar?
C underscore name we must given space or not, sir?
No need. What error it is saying? Double quotation, right? Or else I am giving space. Okay. Variable call. Maybe somewhere we can add some spaces and all, remove all these things. That is a problem. Now I removed everything. C underscore variable name correct only, right?
Yes, sir.
Variable name correct only. Next, variable name correct only. Equal to a colon. Which one I declare here? Post variable in Ansible. If I specific code, this variable defined the inventory file using variables. Host variable. Host var. This is the host variable. How we are declaring? Define variables, one machine, host variable. This is they given equal to only, right? Right. Equal to inventory variables correct only. They didn't give quotation. No, right? Anywhere they mention quotation. Host to local list to Atlanta to host variable machine host variables. Okay, now come to here. Variable name equal to just I given variable from host. Okay, just I given. Now escape column X. Before that, go to here. Mm, 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 mm. One second. First, VA sudo only. I think string means this is double quotation only. Insert. Nothing. What is happening? Insert. Okay. So variable this is correct only. Now escape colon x. Before now cd space ls vi sudo vi play values. Here we need to comment this one, right? I declare host variable, right? Yes or no? So now comment this line. This is no need. Actually variable coming from where?
Host
Arvind, host. This is the playbook variable, right? So now I declare variable. Now I removed that one. Okay, C underscore name. Correct only, right? Now try it. Escape. We missed that one. Okay, now Ansible, Ansible playbook y. Failure to combine variables. Expect the dinged but D. Where is this one? Dictionary is Ansible Unicode. Double quotation colon. Anything missing? Okay. Failure to combine variables. Expected distinct but not distinct is enough. Right. Anything here? What I given?
Host variables are
Host also. We need
instead
to.
of DevOps name are given.
Just I'm going to update my host variable, right?
Yes.
What is this? My host variable. Copy this one. Copy this one. Just come to here. Just paste it. Okay. Now become mess task. Just print. Now go to here. Now check it. Ansible hyphen syntax hyphen check. Now clear. Now check it. Hmm. It is this error first of all. Go to here. Unicode drop. Error failed combining variable expected dict. Ansible 2.1.11. They are also getting same error what they mentioned, but here what I have 5 playbooks. There is solution. Encrypted key IDs backup RSA check YML. Here the facts no. Fail to combine variables, expected dictionary, Ansible unique code. I didn't change anything, right? So variable task, variables development. So we don't want this and all. This is comment only. Okay. Something it is identifying somewhere. What is that? C underscore name. Correct, Rana? C underscore name. Okay, copy. X. What is problem? Missing variable for environment variables. Ansible merging variable include failed variables dictionary in process.
సార్ మీరు సర్వర్ మిషన్లో ఐపీ అడ్రస్ గ్రూప్లో ఇచ్చారు కదా,
కరెక్ట్.
అది సింగిల్గా ఇవ్వాలి
ఎక్కడ?
సార్. అది పోస్ట్ పాత్లో.
Okay, host. Let me go to here. Where is that? cd space slash etc slash. ఓకే గ్రూప్లో కదా ఆల్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఐపీ ఇచ్చా కదా నేను. ఐ డెంట్ చేంజ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఇక్కడే కదా మీరు చెప్పేది యాన్సిబుల్ ఎల్ఎస్ క్యాట్ స్పేస్ హోస్ట్. ఇదేనా?
ఇందులోనే సార్. ఆ గ్రూప్లో కాకుండా వేరే దగ్గర ఇండివిజువల్గా పేస్ట్ చేయండి సార్.
sudo va host sudo va hosts host insert. Where is that my group? Here, go down. So here, right? Insert. Just I commented. So now ungrouped. Just I go to here. But నేను అక్కడ ఐపీని ఇచ్చిన డైరెక్ట్ అన్గ్రూప్డ్. ఓకే పేస్ట్. నౌ క్లియరా? ఇదే కదా మరి రమ్య? హలో. Okay, now group name I don't have anything. Just save escape colon x. Now go to here.
సార్ అక్కడ హోస్ట్స్ దగ్గర కోలన్ ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
ఎక్కడ?
డైరెక్టరీలో ఫైల్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను కదా.
డైరెక్టరీలో ఫైల్ పోయి పాతాం.
ఫైల్
cd space slash etc slash ansible slash host underscore variables varies. ఇదే కదా ఫైల్.
ఇన్సైడ్ దాంట్లో హోస్ట్ ఐపీ డాట్ ఐ అన్నాను.
sudo va 172 ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ ఈక్వల్. సో హియర్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ colon, right?
hyphen host colon
Hyphen
host colon IP something.
ఇది వేరియబుల్, జస్ట్ వేరియబులే కదా. ఏది నువ్వు చెప్పేది ఇక్కడ?
ఓకే సార్,
ఇది
colon
వేరియబుల్
ఇచ్చారు
నేమ్.
separate.
జస్ట్ ట్రై చేద్దాం colon. బట్ అందరూ వాడు ఈక్వల్ ఇచ్చినాడు, చూద్దాం. దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్. నవ్ come down. Now Ansible hyphen playbook. Play hyphen. Oh, so equal, but syntax load under equal better order. Variables. Okay, np ముందేం పెట్టా మనం? కాలన్ పెట్టానా? ప్లే బుక్లో ఏం పెట్టాను? కాలనా? ఈక్వల్ పెట్టానా? ఓకే ఓకే. సో మేబీ కాలనే పెట్టుంటా, బట్ ఇయర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పెట్టేస్తా. now got it. Only colon problem. So now see here what message it is come. Variable calling from host. Now this is the runtime variable or playbook variable or host variable?
Host
This is a host variable. If you want to declare any variable, so we need to go and create one file under the host underscore vars, create one file, declare that variable, just call that variable in our playbook. That's it. Don't confuse here. Playbook. So now this is the I called here, but this is coming from where? Now see here, Ansible hyphen playbook, and so play hyphen e c underscore name equal to I am passing something. Now which value it will come? Which variable it is calling? Runtime, playbook, host. Now see here, first priority goes to runtime. Suppose here I am not passing any runtime. Now I don't have any playbook variable. Now directly it will come to host variable. అర్థమైందా? So now directly it is calling the host variable. See here,
Yes.
first priority runtime, second priority playbook variable, third priority host variable. Now I am going to declare the group variable. Group means, now if you go here cd slash etc slash ansible and ansible, right? So ls here sudo vi host. I given host, right? Here we have multiple host. Here I have multiple groups, right? Yes or no? So this is the group name. Now I declare one group, DevOps group, CRM group. Same way, if you want to, we can whatever groups we can. This is the group variable. So this is the group variable. So this is the group variable. If you want to declare any group variable, first we need to create the one directory. So how we are creating means, here we are creating one directory, right? Host underscore vars. Same way. So here we need to create one directory. What is that directory name means? This is the directory name. How we are telling means, so go to same. So under we need to create one directory. What is the directory name? Group mkdir group underscore variables. Okay, earlier we created so what is this? Host underscore vars, right? Now we need to create under this we need to create the we need to create the one group name, whatever you want. That is yours, very simple only. Now see here, I created. First I am going to create one directory. First come outside. Now see here, so under here we have earlier, this is the host purpose. Now I am going to create the group variable. mkdir, what is the group variable name? Group group underscore vars. This is one directory. Sudo. Okay. Now go to this directory. Go to this directory. Now create one group name. ls. Sudo vi. I am giving one file, one group name. Which group you want? Anything, whatever you want, we can give. For example, devops dot. Okay, we can give anything. devops.yml. Okay, devops.yml. That is your wish. Or test.yml or crm.yml. Already crm ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తా. crm. This is my group name. We can give any name. Okay. What is this? Sudo spelling right. Group name and insert. Tell me variable name. C underscore name colon variable calling from group group variables group underscore just only printing, right? We can give anything. That's it. Escape colon x. Next step, what you need to do? Go back. cd slash ansible etc slash అర్థమవుతుందా ansible. Now so cd sudo vi host. Where is your groups and all? Here only, right? Insert. What is your group name? I am going to create crm group. Okay, so under this crm group, now what is my ip address? What is my ip address? This one only, right? Clear? Clear, Ramya? Now remove this one. Here somewhere I declare one more, right? This is ungrouped. Remove that one. Okay, commented. Shiv Shankar, clear? Now see here, I created one group.
Yes.
I created one group. That is your wish. Any group. I created one group. Under this group, I added. This is my IP. Okay, this is my IP. Now, so added my IP. I created group underscore. That's it. I created one name, same name. What is the file name? There I given crm only, right? crm.yml only, right? Correct? File name I created. ఏ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాను? సేమ్ ఫైల్ ఆ డిఫరెంట్ ఫైల్? cd space group underscore ll. Correct only. crm.yml. Now, so cd sudo vi playbook. Here what I need to do? IP or group name?
Group name.
Group name. What is my group name? crm.
CRM.
That's it. My group name is crm. Anything missing? So I created one directory, group underscore variables. Under this directory I created one file, crm.yml file. Under that file I created one declare one variable, and I go to host that I created one group and added my IP. That's it. Everything correct. So X. Now check it. Ansible hyphen playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook play.yml. Now see here. Somewhere it is missing again. It is coming variable calling from host. Okay, so first priority host, right? First priority host, right? Next group, it is not calling group, it is going to default, it is available. First remove this one, remove this host variable. Now it will work. Now cd slash etc slash ansible. Anyway, that variable is available, that is the reason by default it is coming. What is this? Host. CD space host underscore variables. How to remove file? How to remove file?
RM,
rm space rf space
RF,
what is the file name?
172.
172 data. This is the host file, right? Sudo
Yes.
remove. Sudo remove. That's it. Now go back. ls. Now run that command. Same command. What is this? Host playbook. Now see here. Now got it. Now variable calling from where? Group variables.
Group.
Suppose if it is available, by default it is coming from this variable only. So if it is not available, it will go to this. Now all means remaining, if we keep in all, everything working fine, all variables. So wherever you want, so we can call it all variables. So enter mostly they are asking this one, how to pass runtime variable. And so playbook also, if you declare first priority goes to runtime variable and a playbook variable. If it is not pass, if you are not passing any runtime variable, and it is calling playbook variable. If there is no playbook variable, and it will go to host variable. If there is no host, and it will call group variable. And all means so wherever available it will call, that is the all variable. So all variable, if you want to create all variable, so that's it. Now if you want to declare, so all means just go to file and give all. Now I am going to here, just I'll write. Now sudo va host playbook, right? pla playbook. So insert. Here what I need to give? All only. What I need to do? Give all only. That's it. Clear? All only. And so whatever it is available, it will print all only. Anything whatever it is available, it is printing, so everything only. So if you want to, we can declare any variable, just I print all. Now x. Now see here, playbook. Now which is available? Group variable. Now do we have any playbook variable? No. Now that is the reason I didn't pass any runtime variable. Now it will go to checking playbook. I don't have any playbook. Now it will come to host. I don't have any host. Now it will come to group variable. Now see here, if you pass anything -e and c underscore name, this is I am giving so test. Now see here, now it will come which variable? Test only. Suppose if it is not passing, I am going to update one more also. Just I am finishing. Okay. Sudo last, right? Sudo va. Escape colon x. Colon x. W q not explanatory mark. What I given? Wrong. So this is my playbook, right? Insert. Now I am going to declare one variable. See here how it will work. vars, and I am giving same c underscore name colon. Okay. aws escape colon x. Now if I run this file, which value it will come? Anyone guess it?
AWS.
Advanced playbook. See AWS. Now all means anything based on priority. If you pass runtime, first priority goes to runtime variable. There is no runtime variable, it will call playbook variable. There is no playbook variable, it will go to host variable. If there is no host variable, it will go to group variable. If there is no group, all means based on priority it will come. Based on priority it will come. I hope you got it right. So clear? Anyone any doubt here? Clear, Ramya, Shivashankar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So mostly just remember this line. Mostly they are asking this one only. How to pass variable at runtime in Ansible. This is the syntax. We can pass this is full or shortcut we can give -e shortcut. -e variable name equal to DevOps. That's it. Okay. So that's it.